All right, guys. Now let's continue. That was one account, that is both phase 1 and phase 2. Let's go to the second account. To the second account, this is phase 2. This is phase 2 on the second account. This is phase 2 on the second account. That was on August 20. That is when I started trading it. Now these are your logins. Here you have your name. You have currently you have excuse okay. Currently you have a Stellar account, initial balance 5,000, plan 2 Stellar. Phase 2, the phase you are in is phase 2 account type swap. So if you have running trades overnight, you get charged and so on. The login ID of the account number, the password. So if now you want to get your password, you click on the view and it will be sent to your email, and then both the password and the account number, from there you can check, and then you can go and log into your MetaTrader 5. You can see MT5 server is FundedNext server. Investor password, here is it. You can set it if you want people to check on your progress, or you want to have it in your MyFX book for the public to be checking on. You can just go and do all that. So you can see here that I made a 6.22%. So profit target 200, I went to 310. I exceeded with 110.8. The minimum trading days are 5. Trading overview, let's just check, and then you will see something on that. Now on this you can see my worst trade was negative $6.8. Longs won, that is 81.25%. Shorts won was 100%. Gross profit 337. Loss rate was at 14.3%. Win rate at 85.7%. Average risk to reward ratio at 1.5. 1:5, sorry, not 1.5, but 1:5.07. And average winning trades at $18.7. Trades taken here were 21. So that is just the overview, and then you can see all the trades I executed over here together with the lot size and so on. They're out there. If you want to check more, you can just come on the analytics and see how the graph looks like. That's how the graph looks like, and you can see mostly I traded gold XAU. So that was it on that phase 2. Let's check on the phase 1 of the account as well. Phase 1, that was on August. So I traded on August, and also the first video I did was, or the first part of the video was for the accounts on September. So the second part is for the accounts on August. So we go to dashboard. You can see I started trading this on August 13, 2025. Everything there. On this account I made a 8.06%. I used 6 days. Passed the account in 6 days. This one I took 6 days. Minimum is 5. I'm still very much okay. Profit target 400. I made it to 403. Passed. If you want to check more, you can just click on trading overview, and you can see longs won 65.96, shorts won 65.5. Gross profit was 1130.65. Hey, anyway, it's okay. Loss rate 34.3%, winning rate 65.69%. Average risk to reward ratio, in this case I had a 1:1R. because it's 1 is to 0.91. Let's round off, it will be 1 is to 1. There's a video I did sometimes back and say you can pass this account with even a 1 is to 1 R, and you can see it now. I'm proving it to you now from my account. You can say your stop loss is maybe 50 pips, your target is 50 pips. That is 1 is to 1, and you can pass that account. It does not require you to have a very big winning rate and so on for you to, average winning trades 16.88. Total trades in this account, I took so many trades. Those are 102 trades. So that means mostly I was scalping. Mostly I was scalping. Here's my graph, and the graph looks quite nice. You can see I went to a drawdown around 48.22. Then I bounced back from there and all the way to then passing the account. So that is the graph on that. Yeah, every trade I took was there. I took trades on gold. It was pure gold, you can see. So that was now phase 1 of my second account, or my trading on August, which was very well. I ended up getting funded, but unfortunately I breached the rules on the daily loss. I'll show you that. Now, the last account, this is phase 1, the last account, and this is now the first account I purchased. So from the bottom, this is when I started trading pro farms. So let's check when was it. Let's see, when was it. It was on July 1st. June, July. So I traded July, August, and September, 3 consecutive months into pro farms. Funny enough, I did not make it to doing a payout, but pro farms have helped me to learn a lot actually. So let's check on this, and then we continue with our stories and so on. So this was it, July 1st. I had an investor password. This one is in my FX book. Is there? The account is there, so people said they can see what I did and so on. Now, on this account, I made 8.6%. Yeah. I took 5 days, made a profit of 430, passed the account and so on. You can now check on trading overview. So coming to this, you can see longs won in these trades was 43.33%, shorts 72.7%, gross profit 1631. Average RR 1 is to 1.11. So you can see again, I passed an account with a 1 is to 1 R, right? My winning rate here was 55.7%. The loss rate was at 44.25, and the number of trades I took here were 52. Average winning 56, average loss 50. You can see it's almost balancing at 50-50, which is good. Yeah, on this I traded only gold, if I'm not wrong. Now in this case, I took a trade on US30, and actually taking this trade on US30, this was on phase 1. Okay, yeah, but mostly I trade gold. This is the graph. You can see the graph how it is. That's my graph there. So now let's go to where things got in bad. Or now I got funded twice. So for the first account, which is now the last one I have shown you, I did not okay, I got phase 2, but I ended up blowing phase 2, which is the last one here. We'll come to, let's start with it actually. Let's start with it. The last one, which is now phase 2, you can see that. So your account breached. Your account has been breached. And just let's review the details also. This was on July 8th. what happened? I hit the daily loss. Your account has been due to reaching daily limit loss, which was 200 what? $200. So you can see I failed the account. I failed that account by hitting the daily loss. Yeah. And one thing I learned from this, most people fail in phase 2 because they see the target is too small and you are trying to take a very huge risk for you to just complete that phase fast and so on. So that is something that um, played a big part for me breaching that account and also losing. In this case, you can see my average RR was even less than 0.3. It was at 0.22. This was very worse. The worst. Winning rate 29.4. You can see the loss rate was very high. So you can as well see the profit factor. So here things were not good. So I breached the account on phase 2. That's how I ended up not getting funded. You can see the graph here, it's a straight line, man. Hey, go kubaya. And I was trading pure gold. That was in July. Now let's now get to the funded accounts. The one I passed both phase 1 and phase 2, but I blew or breached the account once. In live you can see account breached. That is due to daily loss, you can see. Now for this one is maximum loss. So the first day I took a loss and then I ended up taking another loss which led to the maximum loss. There's nothing more. You can see trading days were 4. That was on August 27th, which ended on September 16th. So let's check on the trading overview. So on trading overview, you can see I had a gross profit of Gross profit $575. Yeah, longs 141, shorts 166. Winning rate here was less than 1:1. You can see it's at 1:0.67. You can see everything over there. All the trades I took are here. So that is how I ended up breaching or blowing that live funded account. Then let's check on the last account. You can see it was also breached, and this one is due to daily loss. This was due to daily loss. So you can see I traded it for only 2 days. So let's get more details on trading overview. On trading overview, you can see longs 123, shorts 0%. That means I did not take any trades on shorts. Sorry. Gross profit $12. Winning rate 23.53. You can see my average risk to reward ratio was less than even 0.2. Was at 1:0.1. So you can see how things were in this case. Trades I took were 17. Best trade $7.9. Things are not good over here. Analysts, you can see I only took trades on what? I took trades on gold and also Audi card. Yeah. So that was it. My first experience on pro farms or funded accounts, which I can say is quite good, because now I got certificates actually. For once you pass phase 1, you get certificates, the achievements, and so the first certificate is here. I have the second one and the third one. I can just view this one. Let's see, view certificate, the certificate dashboard, elite trader, and so on. So I got the 3 certificates, and the certificates motivated me. Actually, I feel motivated. So that's the achievement I can say I have this year from trading the 3 certificates, but not money. But the most important thing is consistency, whether you are making profits or you are in there in the markets. Showing up is very, very important. So consistency is very important. Yeah, so far so good. Things are well. So take an example. You are buying an account for $33. If you could have funded $33 in your personal account, it can even take 10 minutes to blow that account. But now with these pro farms, we have the rules you need to follow, you know. And also, you use $33 for you to get $400. I'm talking of $400, which is your maximum loss. The maximum loss is your that is now what you can term as your account balance. Because I made a mistake after getting live, I forgot that I only have $400, not the 5,000. Mine is only a portion, which is for 400. 80% is what is mine. So I forgot that. And in a day, you only have $200, not the whole $5,000. So if you are to venture into pro farms, check out not to make the mistakes I made, and we learn from mistakes, and the market is full of many experiences. We keep learning, so I can say this was a learning experience for me. So come 2026, I'm going to venture fully into pro farms, looking forward to $1 million in funding. That is maybe having 5 different farms getting funded $200,000 each, and that's going to be very great for me. So let's keep pushing, don't give up, focus more, focus. Yeah, so that is it. I don't have much to say. See you next year in the charts. It's your mentor signing out. Bye bye.